Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the controls menu. Now scroll through this menu and find the airplane mode icon. It looks like the airplane. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the switch next to the airplane mode to flick it on. And once you're done, you can tap on the done button. And as you can see, the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to the watch face, you will also see the icon right here at the top. So that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the controls menu again, scroll down, tap on the airplane mode icon, like this. And then you can go back to watch face. And of course, the icon will disappear from the watch face, and in the controls menu, the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.